Imagine if every business decision you ever made could be backed by a fortune teller, one that doesn't peer into a crystal ball, but into vast arrays of data points. This is the reality of modern businesses utilizing artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has ventured far from the confines of academic theory and science fiction and is now an essential facet of the competitive business landscape. It's not just about automation anymore. AI is about augmenting human capabilities and redefining the possibilities of growth and sustainability in business.
From predictive analytics improving demand forecasting to chatbots revolutionizing customer service, the implications of AI in business are immense. However, harnessing AI effectively requires more than just implementing technology. It necessitates a strategic approach tailored to nurture and sustain business growth.
Creating a data-driven culture is foundational in leveraging AI's potential. All AI systems thrive on data, the quality, quantity, and speed at which it is processed. Building an organizational ethos where data is a critical asset and valued accordingly is the first step toward AI maturity. Embedding a data-centric approach involves training and equipping your team not only to utilize data, but to question and understand it at every turn. This transformation fosters an environment where data-driven decision-making becomes the norm rather than the exception. Educating employees about the importance of data integrity and continuous analytical skills development is crucial. Companies like Google and Amazon attribute their success in AI implementations to their ingrained data culture, highlighting its importance as a competitive differentiator.
As AI technologies become intertwined with daily business operations, addressing ethical considerations becomes indispensable. Ethical AI usage ensures that technology augments societal values and does not contribute to their erosion. The development of AI solutions should be aligned with ethical standards that prevent biases, ensure privacy, and promote transparency. For example, IBM's ethical AI guidelines serve as a comprehensive outline to ensure their AI solutions foster trust and uphold societal values. A commitment to ethical AI practices helps avoid regulatory and reputational repercussions and builds trust with customers and stakeholders. It's not merely a legal obligation, but a strategic asset.
AI can transform how businesses interact with their customers, offering unprecedented personalization and improving service effectiveness. Leveraging AI in customer relationship management not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives loyalty and revenue. Companies like Salesforce and Zendesk integrate AI to analyze customer data and provide predictive insights that help tailor interactions based on customer behavior and preferences. These capabilities enable a more dynamic and responsive approach to customer management, deeply ingraining customer centricity in business operations. AI-powered CRM tools can anticipate needs and automate responses, which shift customer interactions from reactive to proactive, enhancing the customer journey significantly.
AI applications in improving operational efficiency are vast, from automating mundane tasks to optimizing logistics for cost and time savings. This not only frees up valuable human resources for higher-level tasks, but also reduces errors and improves speed. A prime example is Amazon's use of AI in its warehouses, where algorithms predict the demand for products and optimize their placement to minimize pick times. This innovation not only increases efficiency, but also scales up capability as the business grows. Operational efficiency driven by AI leads to leaner operations and paves the way for scalable, sustainable business models that can swiftly adapt to market changes.
In the rapidly evolving field of AI, maintaining an in-house team that keeps pace with all advancements may not always be viable. Forming strategic partnerships with AI research institutions and technology companies can provide a surge of innovation. An example of such a successful partnership is the collaboration between healthcare providers and AI technology firms to develop advanced diagnostics tools. These partnerships not only speed up the innovation cycle, but also democratize cutting-edge technology, making it accessible to a broader spectrum of industries. These collaborations open new avenues for growth and innovation, allowing companies to stay ahead in the competitive market by leveraging collective expertise.
AI's capability to analyze vast amounts of data and derive actionable insights can transform decision-making processes. It provides a level of depth and speed unreachable by human capabilities alone. Real-time data processing with AI helps identify market trends, consumer behaviors, or operational bottlenecks instantly, facilitating more informed and timely decisions. For instance, financial institutions use AI to detect fraudulent activities and assess credit risks more accurately and quickly. Embedding AI in decision-making processes not only enhances accuracy, but also empowers leadership with the foresight to steer their organizations towards sustainable growth.
Risk management is another critical area where AI can significantly contribute by identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks. AI algorithms can predict and quantify risks much faster than traditional methods. For example, AI-driven cybersecurity systems can detect anomalies that indicate a potential security breach, enabling proactive responses instead of reactive ones. Financial services leverage AI to monitor and analyze transactions in real time, detecting patterns indicative of fraudulent activity. The integration of AI into risk management not only enhances the speed and accuracy of risk assessment, but also helps in designing better mitigation strategies, thereby safeguarding assets and reputations.
Finally, for AI initiatives to be sustainable and justify their investments, their impact must be measurable. Establishing clear metrics and continuously monitoring the performance of AI implementations is crucial to understanding their ROI and areas for improvement. Tools like AI-powered analytics dashboards can provide insights into performance metrics such as increased productivity, cost savings, and improved customer satisfaction. For instance, online retailers measure the impact of AI on customer retention rates and average order values to gauge the success of personalized marketing strategies. Regularly assessing the impact of AI helps businesses refine their strategies and ensure that AI solutions continue to align with evolving business goals and market conditions.
In conclusion, unlocking the full potential of AI for business growth is not a one-time effort, but a journey of continuous adaptation and learning. By developing a data-driven culture, ensuring ethical AI usage, integrating AI into customer relationship management, enhancing operational efficiency, fostering innovation through partnerships, empowering decision-making, optimizing risk management, and measuring the impact of AI investments, businesses can achieve sustained growth and maintain a competitive edge in the digital age. AI is no longer just a tool for operational efficiency. It is a strategic lever for transformative change, driving businesses towards unforeseen levels of innovation and efficiency. As we look to the future, the integration of AI in business is not just advisable. It is imperative for those looking to lead in their respective industries.